Good evening, guys. My name is Ida from Michael Sunday. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel where I'll be teaching you how to design an online banking website. And in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step on how to go about it and everything you need to know about this. And let me show you the site you will want to build. But before I show you the site you want to build, by God's grace, I'm the CEO of the leading web design. And if you search for the best web design company in Ibadan, by God's grace, we are the one leading as number one. By God's grace, so you can check it out on your various browsing and but I can confirm this information. Yeah, before I move to the next step, now let me show you what we want to do. Now this is the bank we want to online bank we want to talk about on how you can build an online banking like this whereby people can see about you, they can see a customer, they can see your service, what you guys do, these are your services, these are the fixed deposit plan, your fixed deposit plan that you have at the bank, and you also have a loan package. You can also use this script to to build a loan website. There's a website that specializes in giving out loan. You can use it to build this and everything you need to know about this. I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to go about it. So without wasting much of our time, let's go there. Now, before you build this type of site, what are the things you need? Firstly, I will let you know that we are not building this site with WordPress. We are not using WordPress to build it. Though you can use WordPress to build it, but there's a lot of limitations. So we won't be using WordPress. We'll be using what we call script. And script is a code written code that has been written by someone. So that is what we'll be using to build this site today. And by God's grace, after the end of the video, I will tell you how you can get this script. All you need to do is just follow me to the end of this video. And yet, if you are a new, maybe you are just watching my YouTube video for the first time, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and kindly share my YouTube video with your friend, your colleagues. There's a lot of video that can be of help to you. You can come to my playlist if you want to become a professional web designer and you want to learn more about web design and you want to build your web design career. You can check my web design course. It is free of charge. You have access to it. And if you don't understand anything, you are free to reach out to me on my social media handle, maybe probably my WhatsApp or through email or stuff like that. You are free to reach out to me anytime, any day. So these are courses that can be of help to you. Just check them out and take take this opportunity very serious and make use of it very serious. Now, before before I dive into this, we're talking about what we're going to be using to build this site, and I said we're going to be using script. And by God's grace, at the end of this video, I'll be giving you access to the script. So all you need to do is watch my video to the end so that you can have access to the script. In fact, once you install the script, you don't need to do anything except if you just want to edit the text here to your own text if you want that. If you don't want that, you can leave it like that. It's very, very perfect like that. So guys, what do I need to do again? The number one thing is that if you want to build this site for clients, you can go to Truehost or Namecheap to buy your domain name. Personally, I use Truehost and I love them. I don't use any other OC company except Truehost. So you can go to Truehost to buy your domain name and your hosting. But I will be using subdomain. And if you want to use subdomain, I believe it is very easy to create subdomain. If you don't know how to create subdomain, come and check my video in this particular place. You will see how to create a subdomain. The video is there, so I don't think that should be a problem now. I've actually created a subdomain that I'll be using, and let me just close this. And so once you create if you want to create a subdomain, let me just show you. I'm not going to create it here, but I just want to show you how to go about it. So this is it. Can you see? This is a domain, this add-on domain, and this subdomain. Just click on this place and follow the procedure. Click on this subdomain. Once you click on this subdomain, so once you click on this subdomain, type what you want to create here. What the name of the subdomain you want to create. Once you type it here and click on create, it automatically creates. So I believe by now you should be able to do that now, or you can check my video to have better understanding on it. Now, since I've walked you through on how to create subdomain, the next thing is that once you create a subdomain, and since we are using scripts, that means there's no need for us to install WordPress again. So what do I need to do then? Number one, the next thing you need to do is to create your database. But before we create database, I will like if we can install the script first. So let's go ahead and install the script. Now, for you to install the script, there are some things you need to do. Number one thing you need to do is you need to locate your file manager and your cPanel. And this is the file manager. Can you see it? So click on the file manager. Now, once you click on the file manager, it's going to load it out. Now, file manager is just like a folder that contains all the file of your website. So immediately you click on your file manager, it's going to load it out. Now, one thing you need to take note in this video tutorial is that if you only have one website on your hosting, that means on your cPanel, that means all you need to do is just to scroll down and come to public underscore HTML. Can you see? That is where this is where your normal website that you have on this hosting. But if you have subdomain or add-on domain, you will see them like this. Can you see now? These are subdomain, these are subdomain. Or you can just come here and scroll down and begin to look at the subdomain. And the subdomain I want to be using for this video tutorial is what I call banking dot money management console. So I'm going to click on this particular folder, which is the subdomain that I created. So I'm going to double click on it. Immediately I double click on it, it's going to load some things out to me. So, but this site is empty. If I copy this site now and if I copy this site and I come to this place and I come and click here, paste it, enter. You see that this site is empty. There is nothing here. And one thing you need to know is that, one thing you need to know, or can you see that the site is empty? Now, one thing you need to know is that when you create a subdomain or a new website, or you just buy a new domain and an hosting or a new subdomain, the site will be empty. So it is your responsibility to make sure that you work on it, design something on it to make the site occupy the site with something with your design. Now, so today I will be showing you step by step on how to go about this now. Okay, so this is our file manager and this is the only thing that is there. So I'm going to click on this and I'm going to delete it. Let me select and let me delete. I don't need it. So I'm going to delete it. Now, after deleting this stuff now, the next thing I want to do now is I want to upload the script here. So I'm going to click on this upload. When I click on upload, it's going to take me to the place where I need to, that will enable me to upload my script or my file. Now, I will click on select file. So once I click on select file, the next thing is going to open my system stuff to me. So you can come to this place or probably just locate it in your what's it called, in your desktop. Scripts, okay. Bitcoin script, okay, online banking script. Double click. This is script. Just click on it and click on open. Now, when you click on it and you click on open, all you need to do is just to wait. It might take a couple of 2 minutes, 3 minutes, or maximum. If your network is okay, it shouldn't be more than 1 minute to at least 2 or 3 minutes. But so I'm going to pause this video for it to load, or let's leave this one. Let's leave this one like this, and let's go to our file manager. I've opened it in a new tab. So let's go to our file manager to be creating our data so that we can go and create our database so that we won't be wasting much time. So what we need to do now to create a database, you need to scroll down to where we have. You need to scroll down to where we have in the section we have database. Guys, this is the section. Now you will now need to look for what we call my SQL database wizard. Can you see my SQL database wizard? Just click on it. So immediately you click on it, it's going to load. You need to wait for it to load. So immediately you load now. What is the name of a database? And this is what makes this, designing a website with a script and designing the website with WordPress different. If it is WordPress will automatically generate a database for you. You don't need to worry yourself on that. But if you are coding your website from scratch, or probably you are making use of a script, there will be a need for you to have a database to create it by yourself manually. And that is why we are doing all these things. Now, how do we create a database? The first thing you need to do is just to come to this place and type the name of the database you want to use. Let me just use bank. I'll click on next step. Now, immediately you click on next step, it's going to direct you to another section where you need to put in your username and your password. So, since I use bank, I'm going to use deleting as my username. Okay, let me just call it deleting bank. Deleting bank. I'm going to call my password In most cases, okay, let me try. If this deleting bank work out, I can make it of it as a password. If it is not strong, maybe I will need to use what is it called, password generator. Well, it's strong to some extent. Wow, that's good. Password string. Ah, it's not that strong. Okay, let's make this a password generator then. I think that would be a very good one. So to make this a password generator, just make sure you come to this place. Can you see password generator? Click on it. Now, I'm telling you, click on it. It's going to show you this thing. Now, copy this. Immediately you copy it, try to look for, come to your desktop and search for Notepad. Can you see this is Notepad? Just open it, click on it to open it. Now, immediately you open it, just paste the password here. You know that that is your password. Now, you minimize this and come back to this place and click on I have copied the password, use the password, and you will see that the strength of the password will be at least 100%. So, now if you look at it now, the strength is 100, right? Very strong. So, let's click on create user. Now, immediately you click on create user, it's going to load you and direct you to a place whereby it has asked you to give all privilege to. You can decide not to save it. I don't need it. So now it's going to ask you to click on to allow privilege. So just click on all privilege because you need to make sure that everything everything has the privilege. So you must make sure you give privilege to every section here. Now, one major thing that is very, very important in this particular place that you must make sure you copy your username and database. Can you see? Copy this thing. So click on Ctrl C, highlight them and click on Ctrl C and come to this place and paste them. So because we are going to use them it's very, very necessary for us. We will need them. So immediately you do this thing, just scroll down and click on next step. And I think that is the last step you need to follow in this video tutorial on how to create your database. I believe you learned that now. So you just need to click on this next step. All you need to do is just to wait for it to load. Now can you see now it said complete task, your users blah 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 was added to a database. Our database has been successfully created now. So since our database has been successfully created, just click on your cPanel to go back to the home page of the cPanel. Now let's check what we are uploading. Maybe the thing has been done. Because maybe overcoded. Yeah, what happened was that I think my network was somehow. So let me go back and come back again. It was my network, yeah. So let me retry it again. I'm very, very sorry about that. Upload. I've been having a little bit network stuff recently. I'm gonna wait for it to load now. Let me pause it. Now guys, can you see now? This has successfully been installed. Now make sure you see this color before you click on anything. Please, if you did not see this color, don't click on anything. If you notice that the color it was, when I was uploading it, is quite different from this. This is the correct color that no, this thing has successfully been uploaded completely. So then you can just click on go to home. Now when you click on go to home now, you see that this is it now. Now the next thing you are expected to do as a web designer is for you to extract. Click on this and click on extract, and it's going to extract all these things to this file. You see, for example, now if I show you this site, let me close this. Let me show you something. Control C, and I come to this place and I click on this and I show you this. Can you see it's still index? Why? Now let's extract it and see what is going to happen. So click on this, and click on extract. Can you see this extract here? Click on it and extract file. Now, but you just all you need to do is just extract maybe a few seconds patient. Everything is going to extract. Can you see now? Just click on close. Now, since everything has been extract now, come and refresh this place again now. Let's refresh this place and let's see what's going to happen. So let's just wait and see what's going to happen. Can you see? Guys, immediately you extract this thing, the next thing is for you to come and install this thing. And this is the next place. This is the key place whereby you'll be needing the database you created. And I don't know, maybe you're getting what I'm trying to say. That is why I said all these database information you are creating earlier, just keep them. Please don't miss any of it because you'll be needing them here now. Now, since you have uploaded everything here now the next thing you need to do is just to come to your site and refresh the name of the site, or probably come to this place, copy the name of the site here, copy it, and come to this place and paste it. Paste it there, enter. Now, immediately you enter the name of the site, it's going to show you to install. Automatically, your server is ready for installation. What do you need to do next? Just click on next. Let's install the script now. Now, when we want to install the script, make sure you always use host name as local. Don't change anything here. Now, what is your database? For you to get your database, just come to this place, your notepad. Can you see this? This is the database. Just copy it. Control C and minimize again. Paste it here. The next one is username. Okay. Now, the next one is username and password, right? Or you can see database setting. Copy your username here, copy your password here. Now, what's our username? This is our database username. Can you see? Our database username. Can you see it? And paste it here. Our database password. Can you see it? Copy it and paste it here. Now click on next. Now, if all what you copy here are correct, then you can now create a login details as an admin. Can you see? Don't save this, and if you like, you can save it. Now, as an admin, if you want to log into your website, how will you log in? You need to have your own admin, username and password. So I'm going to put in my name here as an admin. Let me just type Adida for Michael, which is my name. Sorry. So my Gmail, let me use this. Training@gmail.com. My password, let me just use. And click on next. Now it's going to ask me what is the name of my store. Yeah, I can save this if you like, and if you don't like, you might not save it. Now, the next thing is going to ask you is that the reason why it's asking you the name of your company, the title, and such like that is that so that it's going to have this name as, can you see, it's going to carry out this tagline, this name. So I'll just come here and say, okay, my company name is The Leading Banking. Sorry, The Leading Bank, not banking, The Leading Bank. Site title, The Best Bank. The best bank in Nigeria. My phone number, I can just put this here. Time zone, if you like, just pick anyone. I think we are using +1. +1. Just put anyone, anything. Let me just put anything. And I'll click on finish. Can you see? Finish. Now, guys, within a second, my website is done. My website is done. Now, can you see? The script is done. Can you see now? It's showing the best bank in Nigeria. Can you see? Can you see? Immediately I over on it, the best bank in Nigeria. So that is just how to go about it. Now, what do I need to do now? I need to log in. Let me just. What's my Gmail? This is not the email I need to put. Remember me. Click on login. Use your password. Can you see now? Now we can log into the admin dashboard of the website now. Can you see? This is the admin dashboard of the website, and this is where you can do a lot of settings. I will not be wasting much of time. will not be wasting much of time. I can just show you how to go about it, and because I need to make things fast. I don't want this video to be long at all. Now, can you see it's secured? It's secured. Everything is secure. Can you see the best bank in Nigeria? If you like, you can just change it. You can just call it the leading bank and stuff like that. Anything you want, just put it like that. Now, everything has been set for us. Everything. I don't think there's need for you to change anything again, because they are set. If you want to be changing all these Live Bank to the leading bank, stuff like that. So, and I'm going to walk you through how you can do some. Can you see about us? You can see about us, who we are, meet our team and stuff like that. You can check our service. You can sign in. You can click on sign in to create an account, and you can. Actually, the reason why it automatically sign me like this is because of the fact that I am the admin. So I will show you how to create an account in the next very soon. But let's just go. Let's go and let's see something. Number one, can you see the leading bank? If I want to change the site title to this company name, I can just copy this and bring it back here. My number, my address is number 56. Sorry. And let me just come to my website and copy my address here. I'll just come here and paste my address, Control V, and click on Save Changes. So once I save the changes, I'll just wait for it to load. So you can just wait for it to load. You can come to system setting. If there's anything you want to set here, website, if you want to do anything, but I'll advise you just to leave all these things like that. If you want to make a request and OTP like that, I would advise you just to leave them to the normal setting. So I think the major place again you need to touch is logo and fiction. Let's come here. Now if you notice this logo, this fiction is this. Can you see what's showing here? Why this logo our own is not showing? Because I've used my name. So let me show you what I mean. Sorry. And just copy this. So let me just. Now I've used this name. So because I've used this name, this will not show. But in case you want to remove this and you want to put your logo here, so if I remove this now, this logo here, oh sorry. Now if I remove, okay, now if I, okay, let me drag this one. I want to be seeing it by side by side. Let me close it one. Now if I remove this particular logo, here will be empty. It will be empty. Now, so what you need to do is you can just come here, just get your logo, remove. If you want to use the site title as the logo, you can leave it like this. But if you want to use a logo here, then what you need, like, okay, let me show. I think I've closed that. There's one I did. I've closed that. Okay, I think. Let me just type training. Yeah. If you look at this particular place now, this bank now, can you see I use my logo here, delete it. Now what I do is that I just remove this and I upload my own here. That is all. So you can do the same thing, but I think I will go for that name. I love the name. So there's no need for me to use this any longer. I will go with this logo name. Now if you want to if you want to edit the home page, just come here. I think we have done with this. If you want to edit this feed corner as it's showing here, just change this image. Once you change it, you get a new one. Now, if you want to come to your let me walk you through step by step on this page. This is the dashboard of everything, the active user, the pending, blah blah blah. Can you see it? They're all here. How many users you have, data they register, stuff like that. If you want to create users manually, you can add new user from the admin can add new user, and at the same time, someone can create an account from the front end of the website, and it should be displayed here. And that is how to go. You can add new user, you can you can see all your users here and stuff like that. So, and you can also scroll down wire transfer. I won't really talk about this. So let's come to deposit. So you can create your deposit that you want people to deposit money. You can come and set it up, deposit request, so they can have a way of making their requests and stuff like that. But before that, we still need to go and create a payment store that will allow our users to when they log in to deposit on their account. But I'm going to show you all those kind of stuff. Now withdrawal, you can set how the withdrawal is going to go. That okay, oh, this is how you can withdraw this and this and that. So withdrawal request, we make withdrawal and stuff like that. Everything is there. Now all transaction, you can see all the transaction here. You can see loan management. I told you that you can also use the app. You can also use the website, this particular screen, to create a loan app. Yeah, you can use it. Can you see this all loan calculator and stuff like that? You can configure it. So let me just scroll down. Gift card, fees deposit. This is where you can add new fees deposit, or you can see all the fees deposit. So you can add new. If you want to add new fees deposits, just come here, click on add new, and follow the procedure. I'm going to close this. Let me just scroll down. Sorry, let me take it. So you can see the fees deposit, the gift card. If you want to gift card, use gift card and stuff like that. So you can come to your support ticket. Maybe anybody have issued on their website and they want to make a complaint, you can just make it on the support ticket. You can see the things you have. You make, for example, you have a branches. You have so many branches. At a bank, they have different branches. You can create different branches. Just add the name. Maybe you have one branch in Kaduna. Type it. We have branch. The name of the branch, the email of the customer care in that branch, the contact phone number in that branch, the address and destination, and click on save. That's how to go about that. So what's it called? What next again do you need to know about the script? Other bank, maybe you are you are related to other bank, or you want to just create, maybe you want to do it in such a way that people can transfer money from one bank to another bank. So you can just come and add the other bank you are partner with, that you allow people to transfer money from this bank to this bank. So you can just create them. Just come here, click on add new, and once you click on add new, just type the name of the name, the swift code. Swift code of the bank is the maybe like, let me just show you what swift code means. Let me just type access swift code. It's just like the short code that can you see. This is the access swift code. You can just search for the branch name, blah 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 blah. This is the code. So you just search for the bank you want to use, and currency you want to use. That are the three major currencies. So you can just pick this US dollar, the country of the bank, and stuff like that. Just check out everything and click on save changes once you are done. So what next again? Let's go. Report. If you want to check your report, you can see transaction report, loan report, fees deposit report, and stuff like that. So you can go to system users. Who are they? You can check all your users role and stuff like that. So, and I think you can come here, currency list here. You can list here where you can see the currency, that the major currency. We have three major currencies. Can you see? These are the three major currencies: USD, Euro, and okay. These are the USD and their exchange rate. USD and their exchange rate. So base currency. Now, base currency is the currency that will be displaying as the major one, as the acceptable one, and that is USD here. So you can just click on anyone. If you want Euro, you can click on, you can activate this Euro. That's just how to go about it. And how do you activate it? Just click on the action button and click on edit and activate it. That's just it. So let's move forward again. Transaction setting. You can now transaction setting is where you create a deposit gateway whereby people can deposit. Now, first thing is deposit gateway. Now, in deposit gateway, whichever gateway that you can use. Can you see? Let me just show you. We have a lot of gateway. We have PayPal, we have Stripe, we have um, Razorpay, Paystack, Bitcoin, blockchain, rather, Flutterwave. Now, to me, naturally, I don't know. I just love PayPal and Paystack, rather. I'm going to walk you through how you can create your own, how you can, you know, link your Paystack with this. Let me just click on Paystack login. And in case you don't have a Paystack account and you want to learn how to create a Paystack account, just come to my YouTube video, come to this particular aspect, you're going to create a video. Just scroll down a little. Once you click on this video, you see a little drop down of a video there. So just scroll down to where I click on how to create a payment gateway. So that is a video on how to create a Paystack, So I'm going to come here and I'm going to, click on this Paystack, click on configure. I think that's one of the things I'll be using. I'm going to click on configure. So once I click on configure, I will need to scroll now. Scroll down, I will leave this logo like this. Status, I want to enable. Currency, which currency I'll be using Nigeria. If you have any currency you want to use, you can check it out. But I think Paystack work for Africa. It's meant for Africa. But if you want to use Stripe, if you want to be international, then you can use Stripe. But I don't have a Stripe account. That's why I don't use Stripe. So in case you are creating this for your foreign people, now what you can do is either you use Paystack and you link your Paystack to with a $10 card. $10 card is what we allow people who pay with dollar to convert the money to your $10 account, and from there you can do anything with it. Now if it is Stripe also, maybe I will just try to activate Stripe also so that you can see how it goes. So I'm going to click on Naira and Paystack public key. Now let me just come here. Let me log into my Paystack account. So once I click on Paystack, it's going to load. So sorry, let me just log in. So I will just need to log in and show you how to get your API key in case you are using Paystack. So if you want to get your API key, just come to this particular place, come to your profile. So once you click on your profile, just come to your API key and webhook. Can you see? Once you click on your API key and the webhook, you just click on this particular thing. You're going to ask you for your password. Do I know my password? Do I still know it? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. It's not the password. Let me use another one. Let me check this. Well, we are going to. God. Please let me pause. Let me pause this video and go and check for my password. Yeah, I've gotten my password. So now, if I put in my password, I'll be able to copy this. So once I copy this live secret key. I will come to this place and put it here. Live secret key. This secret key. I'm going to copy my public key also, which is live public key. Can you see live public key? I'll come here and paste it here. Now, what is $1? Now, you're going to ask you, okay, since the currency in this particular website is $1, so what is the equivalent of this? What is this $1 to Naira? Because Paystack we are using the Naira of it. So you can just say that today, I think $1 is 6.30, 6.25. When I bought 2 days ago, some days ago, dollar is I think 6.25 to 6.30. I just see 6.30. So what is the minimum deposit? The minimum deposit, I think let people use to deposit like $100. Maximum can be 1,000 or $1 million. $1 million. So what will be the fees charges? Okay, if you are deposit any amount of money, I'm going to charge you for 10. I'm going to charge you fees amount of $10 and charges for percentage. I'm going to charge for 10% also. So I'll click on save changes. Yeah, in some cases you might experience this, that you click on this and yes, it's showing you this. It happened. I naturally do this so that you can see it because I've tested it. So all you need to do is just reload or wait for a little bit of time and you try it again. So we get it like that. So I'm gonna reload it again. Let me let me, let me just refresh. And when you're doing your site, make sure your site is correct, is secured. Okay, page has expired. Okay, let me go back to this particular place. Network now. Okay, I should be able to sign in from here. So yeah, let me just come here. So just go down and let's try another setting. So deposit. Let me just activate this around. I think I need to be faster. I don't need to waste my time. So just come here. Let me just copy this. Sharp. I'll copy this and come here and paste it here. I hope I'm copying the right thing. Life secret key. Oh, sorry. Life secret key is here. Why life purpose key is here. Come here and paste it here. Select the country you want to use. Error. Select the minimum amount of money you want to use. 100 is equal to 630, and the maximum deposit is one. Let's say this. Our fixed charge is 10. Our percentage is 10. Also click on save changes. If the click passes, I'm going to log out and refresh again. So that is just on this. Either you log out or refresh or wait for a couple of times. It happened to me, and for you to believe that it worked fine, so that you will not think maybe it's not working fine. Let me show you the one I did here. Training, and let me just sign in for you so that let me just show you how to deposit. I think I've signed in. Okay, let me just sign in so that you can see. Create an account. Name, email. Okay. I think I have an account before. I think I have an account. So let me get an account. I don't know the password again. A lot of password there too. I have a lot of password. Let me just use. Let me pause this video and create the account. Now, can you see I just create an account now? So I just want to show you something. Maybe for example, I want to deposit money. I click on deposit money, automatic deposits. I click on automatic deposits. It's going to take me to my pay stack. Can you see it? And I click on the minimum is $1,000 and the maximum is 1 million. So I was just creating it there. So I click on deposit now. It's going to take me to where I can process the amount of the USD I want to deposit. Let me just say 1,000. They're going to charge. It's going to share me we are charging the 10% and transaction fee, no one process. So it's gonna take me to how much I'm going to pay because I've converted it to naira. That was what I was trying to show you in that how much the money you're gonna convert it when I was trying to do it here. Okay, you come to your deposit gateway. Let me just show you. And let me click on. I was trying to show you here. Configure. Now I was trying to show you that the amount of $1 exchange is equal to this. So that is the incentive with this. So I'll just say okay, let me pay now. So you will put in your once it's loaded, you put in your bank details and it will pay. So that is just can you see. So I don't have the mind to risk I don't have this money in my account. So I'm just trying to show you that it worked. Though I have also experienced the same thing that day. So I'm just trying to let you know that it worked. I did it. So I'm just close it. So let me try this again this time around. So I believe it should be able to work now. At the same time enable copy and paste it here. Copy and paste it here. You can also do for your live skills, for your Stripe account also. Let me see some dress this time around. Use 1000. Then so it's still showing the same thing. So I just need to wait for a couple of time to happen like that. So I think I wait for maybe 30 minutes or 1 hour, I don't know. So once you are done with this, you can also go to Stripe or PayPal, this or PayPal. Yeah. I think PayPal will only need your Gmail. Just click on configure. And once you click on configure, you just need to come here, click on activate, enable rather client ID. Just place something here. Just type something here. Client secret. Just type something there. Send word. Okay. Because you can just say and just leave this empty since the gateway will automatically determine its own and the minimum of it is 100. Okay, $1,000. Maximum is $10,000. Just get use of that. Fees charge is 10. Right, it's also 10%. Once you are done, click on save changes. So that is just out. Sorry, I didn't select currency. Let me just try to look for currency. Let me use USD. So here will be equal to 1 USD. Now click on save changes. So and once you are done, it's showing this. So it will go. So once you are done, it's going to save. So once you are done, just go back. I think let me just show you another aspect of it. And in case you are having issue with it, give it to me. I will be able to do it. So I'm just telling you this now. In case you are having issue with your payment setting, just give it to me and give me a day. I will set it up for you. So you want to do your web your website, if you want to edit the content of your website and everything like that. So let me just see what I mean. Now if you want to edit all these page stuff like that, so still come to this place and scroll down. So you can, if you want to edit your service page, this service page, just come here, click on service, you're gonna take it to the place there, and you can see everything in your service front page, everything here, everything here, everything you are seeing here. This is it. So just click on this action and click on edit, and you'll be able to edit there. So and once you're done with editing, you click on save changes and stuff like that. So what else again? FAQ, that is all these things you are seeing there. I hope you're getting it. All this FAQ you are seeing here, that is it here. So you click on it, you also click on it also, it's going to take you all to all the questions. So these are all the questions, these are all the questions. You can also click it and edit it here also. So anyone you don't like, delete it. What else again? So naturally, the website will actually create a page for you that is okay. I just come to pages again, click on pages. We have private policy and terms and conditions. Those are let me show you here. Private policy, yeah, this is private and terms and conditions. So I hope you're getting what I'm trying to do. So menu management, you can click here anything you want to do. Once you are done, you can close it, and if there's anything you want to even do again, check every pages. They are easy to edit, and once you are done, you can also come to administration again. Administrator, you have general setting, you can click on it, email template and stuff like that. So everything, they are easy for you to do in your back end. So that is just basically what you need to know about this template. So guys, that's just the basic way of going with everything. So if you have any issue with the payment of a thing, just get back to me. I'm gonna help you on how to go set it up. I should have waited for a couple of minutes and 1 hour or 3 minutes to set it up, but because I need to just go and sleep now. This is around 13 a.m. So I believe you understand every aspect of this video. So thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. God bless you.